How to remove odors from your mattress, ultimate guide. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we provide you with helpful tips and tricks for maintaining your home. In today's video, we'll be discussing how to remove odors from your mattress. Odors can build up over time and can be caused by a variety of factors, including sweat, food spills, and pets. But don't worry, we have the ultimate guide to help you get rid of those unpleasant smells. The first step in removing odors from your mattress is to vacuum it thoroughly. This will help remove any loose dirt or debris that may be contributing to the smell. Next, use baking soda to absorb any odors. Sprinkle a generous amount of baking soda over the surface of the mattress and let it sit for several hours or even overnight. Vacuum the baking soda off in the morning to reveal a fresh-smelling mattress. If the odor persists, you can use a mixture of vinegar and water to clean the affected area. Simply spray the solution onto the stain and let it sit for a few minutes before blotting it with a clean cloth. For tougher stains, you can use a mixture of baking soda and water instead. If the odor is caused by pet urine, use an enzyme cleaner to break down the proteins and eliminate the odor. Be sure to follow the instructions on the product carefully to ensure it's used correctly. Finally, consider using a mattress protector to prevent any future odors from building up. Mattress protectors are easy to clean and will help keep your mattress smelling fresh for longer. Conclusion: removing odors from your mattress is a straightforward process that can be accomplished using household items such as baking soda and vinegar. Remember to vacuum your mattress thoroughly. Use baking soda to absorb any odors. Use a mixture of vinegar and water, or baking soda and water to clean the affected area. Use an enzyme cleaner for pet urine. And consider using a mattress protector to prevent future odors. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks for maintaining your home.